Now our bread is ready. That's how it look. You can make it at home. When we have bad weather 3 or 2 months ago, you can make it. Just you need flour and yeast and salt. So you can make it. If I did it, you will do it too. So we're gonna open it, see it from inside. But if you use oven, is faster than it's right here. You can put anything of your choice. You can put salad, chicken, whatever. You can use it. It's really nice. See how flexible it is? Thank you. Thank you so much for everything. Please subscribe and like. Help me to grow my channel. And we can work together as family. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Share love and see you next video. Bye.